Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today also we are continuing exercise 8.1 of trigonometry. Today we are doing ninth question. Ninth question is, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, find tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3. Sorry, if tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3, find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C and cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. It is given that ABC is a right angle at B. First draw that right triangle. Let ABC is a right triangle at B. It is given that tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3. It is given that tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3. Because we know that tan of an angle is side opposite to that angle upon side adjacent to that angle. Here tan A is given. Therefore, according to this acute angle, the opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. Therefore, we can write 1 as 1k and root 3 as root 3k. Because we know that tan of an angle is side opposite to that angle upon side adjacent to that angle. Okay, here AC is not given, therefore we have to find out AC first by using Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we know that Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Therefore, here hypotenuse is AC. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is K. 1K means K itself. K square plus BC is root 3K the whole square. It is equal to K square plus, what is the square of root 3? Root 3 into root 3 is 3 itself. 3K square. Therefore, we get 3K square plus 1K square, that is 4K square. Therefore, AC square we get 4K square. Find AC. AC is equal to square root of 4K square. It is equal to 2K. Square root of 4 is 2 and square root of K square is K. Therefore, we get AC is equal to 2K. Write it over here. AC is equal to 2K. Okay. Now, next we have to find out sin A, cos C, cos A and sin C. Because we have to find out sin A cos C plus cos A sin C and cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So, first of all, we have to find all these values and put it over here. Then find out the value of the first question and second one. First ratio we have to find out sin A first. Sin A is equal to, we know that sine of an angle is opposite side of that angle upon hypotenuse. Here it is BC upon AC. BC upon AC, that is equal to, here BC is 1K upon AC is 2K. K and K get cancelled, therefore we get sin A is equal to 1 by 2. Write it over here. Sin A is equal to 1 by 2. Next we have to find out cos A. Next we have to find out cos A. We know that cos A is side adjacent to that angle upon hypotenuse. Here A is the cos. We have to find out cos A. Therefore, side adjacent to that angle is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Therefore, cos A is equal to AB upon AC, which is equal to, we know that AB is The value of AB is root 3k upon AC is 2k. Therefore, cos A is equal to root 3 by 2. Write it over here also. Cos A is equal to root 3 by 2. Next we have to find out sin C and cos C. First we have to find sin C. Sin C is equal to, that means according to this acute angle we have to find out sin C, because C is this angle. Sine of this angle is side opposite to this angle upon hypotenuse. That means here it is AB, opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. AB is equal to root 3k. Root 3k upon AC is, we know, it is 2k. Therefore, the value of sin C is equal to root 3 upon 2. Write it over here also. Sin C is equal to root 3 by 2. Next we have to find out cos C also. Cos C is equal to, cos of this angle is side adjacent to that angle upon hypotenuse. That is adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Therefore, cos C is equal to BC upon AC, which is equal to, BC is 1k and AC is 2k. Can k get cancelled? Therefore, cos C is equal to 1 by 2. Let write this one also here. That is cos C equal to 1 by 2. Cos C equal to 1 by 2. Then we have to find out the first question, that is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Let us put the values of sin A, cos A and cos A sin C, then doing the calculation. Then we get the first question. Same we have to done in the second question also. Okay, now let us do the first part of our question, that is first part, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, which is equal to, we know that sin A is equal to half and cos C is equal to half. Write it over here. Sin A, the value of sin A is half, into the value of cos C is also half, plus sin, plus, we know that cos A is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos A is root 3 by 2 into sin C is, again it is root 3 by 2. Now do the calculations. Half into half, 1 into 1. 1 by 4. 1 into 1, 2 into 2, that is 1 by 4. Plus root 3 into root 3, it is 3 upon 2 into 2, it is 4. Both have same denominator, therefore add the numerator directly. We get 4 by 4, it is equal to 1. Therefore, first part of our question is over, that is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equal to 1. Okay, next we have to do the second part of the question. Second part, that is cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C, that's equal to, give the values. What is cos A? Cos A is root 3 by 2. Therefore, write it over here, root 3 by 2 into, what is cos C? It is half, into half, minus, what is sin A? Sin A is equal to, sin A is equal to half. Therefore, put that value over here, into sin C is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin C equal to root 3 by 2. Now multiply root 3 into 1, that is root 3, upon 2 into 2, that is 4, minus, here also 1 into root 3, that is root 3, 2 into 2, it's 4. This is equal to root 3 minus root 3 all divided by 4. It's equal to 0. Therefore, we get the value of the second part also, that is cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C is equal to 0. Now, 9th question is over. That's all for today. We will continue tomorrow also. Thank you for watching.